Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be preparing a delicious masala egg rice which is perfect for a quick and tasty lunchbox meal. I have listed all the ingredients in the description below, so let's get into the cooking process. As a first step, let's boil the rice by adding a required amount of salt and keep it aside. Now, let's start by heating a pan by adding a small amount of oil. Do this whole process in medium flame only. Now once the oil is heated, let's add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds splatter, add 2 to 3 red chilies, a few curry leaves, 3 to 4 slit green chilies, and give them a good saute. Next, add 1 medium-sized chopped onion to the pan. Add a pinch of salt to speed up the cooking process. Remember, if you have already added salt to the boiled rice, adjust accordingly. Once the onions are well sauteed, let's add ginger garlic paste. I prefer using crushed ginger and garlic for a richer taste. Saute this until the raw smell disappears. Now let's add 1 medium-sized chopped tomatoes and fry them well. It's time to introduce the spices. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoon of Achi chili powder for a bit of spice. And the main ingredient for the dish is any non-veg masala. So I have added mutton masala to this. I am adding 1 tablespoon. Saute all the ingredients thoroughly. Cover the pan with a lid to cook the masalas well. So while the masalas are cooking, let's beat the eggs. Here I have taken like 6 eggs. Now you see the masala is ready and the oil has come out. And now we'll add the beaten eggs. Cook them until they resemble like scrambled eggs, like to 70%. The more eggs we add, the tastier it gets, and also our rice won't get dried up. Now our masala egg is ready, and we'll add the boiled rice to the pan. Check for the salt and adjust accordingly. So gently mix the rice with masala. Finally, add the chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, it's optional, and a pinch of garam masala. Let's mix everything well. And our delicious masala egg rice is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you try making this recipe at home and share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and share the love with your friends. Until next time, happy cooking!